good than Kenya.
It's a good thing.
It's happening.
The man himself.
The man.
Yeah, it's for audio. Yeah, the preamps and that are better than the ones like
This is the actual audio.
yeah. So the data is
Who captures it?
yeah. It doesn't record, but capture it. You can put like normal cables for microphone.
Learn about it. Wakasura wansi. So kama ndio
So this company is not. And the controller, how do you do this? You put the microphone. This wireless. This is wireless.
Yeah, you connect it. You need to get this adapter, or you can still use it, but you put it with here. Put it here. It comes with a thing with a long shoe mount.
And you also use it to put in the area you're looking at. And tap on your phone.
Kati ya katika receiver kutoka kwa mixer. Only the mic so you get a cable and connect to the mic to the mixer. You can connect to the mic, then we see the mic. The mixer you got to do.
This guy is so I don't know where to go now.
We have cards.
What kind?
Which card is this? How many is
That's so much.
this one, man. What does it have card? We need the first card. Otherwise, you have to put an SD card.
the card is
That is
CF Express.
also the SD. You don't know SD card. But you need first one.
Nobody can believe.
Hey.
Yeah?
So, but the room inside here.
This is a Tamasha.
How does it feel, sir?
Yeah. Wakati wa
Mine is weak. I'm using.
The man just got himself a beast. So, how does it feel?
Lira. Mwaka sana.
Feels. I don't know, man. Full frame CMOS sensor right there. The king of Roland. Everything.
Chuma.
Yeah. You know, it feels.
So it's English. Stand. So the camera enter. So video. Nairobi. The day, month, yeah. So today is 8.
This one, 4. 7 days, 8. 8?
I'll need to reset it. I'll need to change the date. I've put 2025.
It's okay, we can change it.
Yeah, nothing can change it. Even the time. No memory card can record movies. So sorry, you need a memory card. Guy movie.
Me?
I was trying to check if it will continue to focus. Look at the camera now.
Ano?
Ah, nice. No, try it now. And
Isama ko yan, may.
It's a very, I've never felt like this before. It's a complicated
fuck with charge. So,
those of you that might not, it's a very, I've never felt like this before. It's a complicated
fuck with charge. So,
those of you that might not